Hey everybody, Charlie here. I'm the CEO of Empowering Pumps and Equipment, and I'm excited about TPS. That's the Texas A&M Pump and Turbo Show that's taking place in Houston at the George R. Brown this August. So it is in August. That's a little different for that. Normally it's in September. And we're excited to kind of showcase our partners who will be there. And so without further delay, Gary, jump on here and introduce yourself.
Hello there, I'm Dr. Gary Dyson. I'm head of global engineering for Hydro. So I do everything for Hydro when it becomes difficult. So all the fun stuff around pumps that gets really hard, Hydro bring it all to me, and that's what I love working on.
Yeah, absolutely. And, TBS has this, huge end user base that comes through and is part of that show and attendance. But what kind of products do you have that are targeted to support that end user?
So this year we're doing a really fantastic presentation, a lecture at TPS, and we're partnering with the Oman State Oil Company, PDO. And together, what we've been doing is we've been going through their operation, their exploration, and their transportation of oil. And we've been refining all their products to really limit the environmental impact of all their products. So, as you can imagine, these high energy pumps, they consume a lot of power, but they also have a big impact on the environment with a lot of carbon emissions. So, what we've done is targeted the pumps that are really high consumers so that we're matching pump performance to what PDO actually need. And we've been able to save millions of dollars worth of power and offset millions of tons of carbon dioxide. So it's a really exciting project for us. So that's what we're presenting at the Pump Symposium this time.
Yes, and I said products. So you are all about services and helping the customer and the client, which I know. Just misspoke there. And this is one of those examples. So that presentation is going to go through that and share the success story. Is that correct?
Absolutely, yes. And there are two particular case studies for oil export pumps that we've got in that where we've not analysed just the pump, we've analysed the system as well. And we've worked in partnership with PDO and PDO engineers, a great guy called Paul Wilcox, who's the senior engineer at PDO. We worked hand in hand together with the local service centre, Hydro Service Centre as well, and we were able to do just such an amazing job. PDO as well in Oman, there is no pump testing capability, so there's no verification process for any of the equipment that you modify or change. So we had to be really careful and really diligent on the engineering side of it. So the paper we're presenting is all about the engineering and how we did the engineering and the impact it made.
Yeah, and I've just noticed kind of just from your profile, you are the pump expert in the design side. And so when it does get tricky over there, they come to you, which I love. And I'm
Yeah.
excited about, you being able to bring this to TPS and present. I know it's one of the first times that y'all are there, and I'm excited for you and excited for our audience. So if people do want to get in touch with you, I know you will be in Hydro will have a booth there at the show, but if
Yeah.
they want to get in touch with you directly, how should they do that?
Well, anyone who wants to talk about pumps or pump problems can email me. And my email is gdyson@hydroinc.com.
I love it. Well, I look forward to seeing everybody at TPS. And until next time, be empowering.